this lesson, we'll get distracted from our main project, and we'll learn how to implement parsing in our project. So what is parsing? Parsing is when you basically get a website that you want to parse, then you extract the data from the website using the code. So you have to make this extraction of data, and you may use it, sort it, maybe do some data analysis, and then use it in the project. So in this lesson, I wanted to try out parsing a website that's basically a Kazakh marketplace for houses, like an Airbnb in USA. So let me show it to you guys. Here we go. Here it is. Basically, those are the advertisements of various apartments all around the city, and thing that we want to do is to parse them and parse their prices, and then extract those prices in the Google Excel, or maybe just in the dataset, and try to analyze it. So first of all, let's head back to coding section. First of all, in order to do it, we need to import requests. It's just basic things that we need for our project. So requests, here we go. Then we go from bs4 import beautiful soup. Kappa is helping us. From maybe, yeah, let's import os. Import os and import pandas spt. That's it for now. So first we need to create a function that parses everything. So def main, we'll call our function main, and we'll go we'll first initialize the link, and I think we can insert the link here. Here we go. Then we write data, so a new variable, equals requests dot get link. Yeah, then we write html data equals beautiful soup. This is the thing that we imported here, data text html parser. Here we go. So basically we'll parse the text that we need. And here in the prices, we'll initialize the price variable, html data find all div. Then we need to find the div where the prices are located. In order to do it, let's head back into our internet. Okay, so here we are on the marketplace, and here we need to find the values, the divs that display the prices for apartments in the cities. So in order to do it, we go here and inspect element, and here we can see all of the HTML classes that are available for us, and precisely we need to use this button that is blue right now, and then go here, and here we can see the div name, div a card price. We copy that div, div's name and head back to our code section. In the code section, we need to select the class that we are gonna find. So it will be class equals here's the name, a card price. Then we need to create a list, prices, new, and it will be empty for now. And then we'll create a loop that will extract the text that will help us. So for p in prices, temp equals p text dot strip dot replace. So what is the problem now? The thing is, I forgot to mention it. The thing is that, as you guys can see here in the thing, the card price div not only contains the value as an integer, but contains the strings and two signs in Russian language, and we need to get rid of them. So when we extract the data, we'll also get rid of the code, get rid of useless signs and symbols that we don't really need. So let's head back to the coding section, and here we'll write replace ot. This is some Russian symbols dot replace. So we're basically replacing the variables that we are gonna replace. So the other variable is tenge sign. This is a currency sign. We need to get rid of it too in order to make our string an integer. Then dot replace, and then we gotta replace u xa0 u. What's that? That's an invisible sign between two lines, and we just need to get rid of it, or our variable will be a string. Then we go prices new dot append temp, but not just temp, but integer temp. We need to make sure that the data is an integer. Then let's create a variable called average price, and then we'll use a function get average from prices new. Then print average price. Here we go. So here we need to write this. We forgot about it. Then we need to create a function called get average to actually find the averages of our functions. Yeah. So the function get average. Let's firstly before doing the function get average, let's just print out prices new, because we need to actually understand how the data will be seen. So prices new. Then we are gonna run our code and see how it works. Yeah, it didn't really print anything. That's weird. Oh, we didn't call the function. Yeah, that was so silly. So main. Okay. Yeah, as you guys can see here, those are the prices. Now, what are we gonna do is to sum up all the prices. So for I in range, len prices new, all prices new, total price equals total price plus prices new I, and total price will be initialized at 0. Now let's see if it works or not. Total price. Let's see. Yeah, it works. So we have a total price of 538,694,202 tingas. Now we need to create an average, find an average. So in order to do it, we create a variable. Average price will be total price divided by len of prices new. Now let's see. Oh, forgot about print average price. Oh yeah, here we can see an average price, and it is equal to 22,450,643 tenge with some user service. Yeah, and for now that's it. In the next lesson, we'll actually try to link it to some databases and display it on some fancy website and see how it works. Thank you for your attention.